So shopping spree has asked me this question: how many days should we give home remedies before consulting the doctor? If there are no red flag signs, then maybe 2 to 3 days is fine if there are no red flag signs. Now, what are red flag signs? I have made multiple videos on that. Please go and look at it. Okay. So if there are no red flag signs, you can wait for 2 to 3 days. But at the end of 3 days, the cough is really affecting the baby's health. Then it's better to get him seen. Especially if you hear the baby wheeze, if the baby is having difficulty in breathing, if it is associated with fever, if it is associated with sleepless nights, difficulty in sleeping, difficulty in concentrating in studies, then it is the time for you to go and visit the doctor.